Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you ChatGPT on iOS. All right, this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max, but I'm assuming that this famous OpenAI is available for any iOS device. I found out this morning and it says that it's available for iPhone and it will be available for Android in few days. So guys, it is amazing. It has an app already and I have it here installed on my device right here, ChatGPT, the app from the App Store. So just to show you that it is available, I'm going to go to App Store and from here you can search ChatGPT. But this morning I got it from a link and it took me straight to the App Store. But I'm going to type it up here, and as you can see, you're gonna see it's gonna come up, and this is the official app of ChatGPT right here. All right, so when I click in here, you're gonna see that it came from OpenAI, which is the company that made the application that created ChatGPT. So this is it right here, and this is the screenshots of the app, and as you can see it here, it is nice, it is amazing. So now you don't need to go to the internet anymore. You don't need to use your browser. It is officially available for iOS devices, all iPhones. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and right here, and from here you can just type your question. You see this is the menu right here. You can go to settings and you can subscribe if you want. You can subscribe for ChatGPT Plus for more advanced search. And when you click on here, it's gonna ask you to subscribe, and this one is $19.99 per month. So this is the ChatGPT Plus, and as you can see, it says priority access plus subscribe. Have access to ChatGPT-4 and our latest beta feature. Always available, and you will be able to use ChatGPT even when demand is high. Ultra fast, enjoy even faster response speed when using ChatGPT 3.5. And to subscribe, it is $19.99 a month. All right, so this is it right here, but I'm just gonna use the simple one. What should I type in? And as you can see it here, it says ChatGPT for iOS. So after you download it, it's gonna ask you to actually, I'm gonna delete mine. I'm gonna re-download just to show you. So let's go ahead and remove the app, and I'm gonna delete the app, right? Delete application, and now I'm gonna go back and re-download the application. I'm gonna go to the Play Store right here. To the App Store, I'm sorry. I'm gonna click on install, and as you can see, it's gonna download. I'm gonna hit open. And from here, it's going to ask you to sign up or sign in. You can log in or you can sign up with an email. You can use your Apple, nice display. You can use your Apple ID, or you can use your Google email, your email from Google, or you can just sign up with an email, okay? So as you can see here, it's a nice display. It tells you everything. It shows you what this application can do. So OpenAI, ChatGPT, you can ask any questions. You can do your research. You can do your schoolwork, for example, or if you want to know anything, you can come here and type it in, type your questions, and you get straight answer. So I'm gonna sign up with Google account. Hold on one second. Okay, now that I signed up with my Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and say, click on continue. As you can see, it gives you a nice welcome page after you download the application and sign up. So this is the welcome page, and it says, this official app is free, syncs your history access devices, and brings you latest model improvement from OpenAI. And ChatGPT may provide inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. Don't share sensitive informations. Anonymized chat may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our system. Okay, So this is the ChatGPT, the official application. I'm going to hit on continue. So you can use your microphone, you can ask any questions. Let's see, what should we say? Tell me more about US history. Tell me more about US history. Okay, it seems like it's not working. So I'm going to type in anything in here in this page. So I'm going to say US history. It might be very basic, but I just want to show you, all these informations. Sure, I can help you. US history, specific topic, period. Okay, so you have to be more specific because I only type US history. And what should I type here? Who is Andrew Jackson? Right? And it gives you all information about Andrew Jackson, So this is just to show you that this application is available for iOS. So you can go ahead and download this application, and this is the icon right here. That's what you see, and it is available. So go ahead and download it, install it on your iPhone, and it should be available for Android very soon, according to the company. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much.